Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. Today I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from chapter 3 Matrix exercise 3.3 of NCERT 12 Mathematics. Question number 10 equal to spread the following matrices as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrices. Roman 2 I have taken here. Opening of square bracket I have done. The elements of first row I have written 6 minus 2 2. The elements of second row I have written minus 2 3 minus 1. The elements of third row I have written 2 minus 1 3. Now come out to solution here. Solution Roman 2 I have written equal to, let the given matrix A equal to the same matrix. You can see here, I have reflected here. This is the matrix of order 3 cross 3. Now, this matrix, the given matrix A, is going to be expressed in the form of sum of symmetric matrix P and skew symmetric matrix Q, where A is the given matrix, P is the symmetric matrix, and Q is the skew symmetric matrix. Formula I have written here implies that since here you can see P is the symmetric matrix equal to, since P is the symmetric matrix, then the given matrix A equal to transpose of the given matrix it will become equal to, implies that P equal to 1 over 2 in bracket A plus transpose of A I have written. Formula, since Q is a skew symmetric matrix implies that then the given matrix A equal to minus transpose of A it will become, implies that Q equal to 1 over 2 in bracket A minus transpose of A I have written twist up. The transpose matrix of the given matrix A implies that transpose of the given matrix A equal to, here you can see this is the given matrix A. The transpose of the given matrix A it will become, here you can see first row. So here first row will be converted into first column here. Here you can see 6 minus 2 2. I have written here 6 minus 2 2 here. The second row minus 2 3 minus 1 I have converted into second column minus 2 3 minus 1 here. And the third row you can see 2 minus 1 3 I have converted into third column here, 2 minus 1 3 here, closing of square bracket. So here you have got the value of A dash transpose of the given matrix A. You have got this one. Now I shall use the formula here. P equal to 1 over 2 in bracket A plus transpose of A. You have got implied that P equal to 1 over 2. Opening up curly bracket I have done here. The value of the given matrix I have reflected this one. And plus I have written plus 1. And the value of the transpose of the given matrix I have reflected this one. This value I have reflected this one. Now processing I have done. P equal to 1 over 2. This one I have got implied that P equal to the respective element you can see here. This is the matrix of order 3 cross 3 and this is also the matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then addition will be followed here. In addition, the respective elements of both matrices will be added together. So here you can see. Here you can see 6 plus 6 I have added. You have got 12. Minus 2 I added minus 4. And 2 plus 2 I have got 4. And here minus 2 will be added to minus 2 will get here minus 4. 3 will be added to 3 will get here 6. And minus 1 will added here minus 2. 2 and 2 will be added together get here 4. Minus 1 get it here minus 2. 3 and 3 will be added 6. Implied that P equal to, here you can see 1 over 2 this matrix. Then each element of this matrix will be multiplied to 1 over 2. So here you will get 12 will multiply to 1 over 2 will get here 6. Similarly, you will get the value of P equal to this one. Now Q, similar way you will do here, Q equal to 1 over 2 in bracket A minus, A is the given matrix here, minus the transpose of A, you will get here A dash. Do the process here, 1 over 2 I have written. The given matrix I have reflected here, this one. Minus I have written. The transpose of the given matrix I have written at this place. Q is equal to 1 over 2 I have written. This one will be subtracted to get the empty matrix. Here, null matrix. Null matrix we have got. So here, 1 over 2 is equal to null matrix. Each element is 0 here. To multiply, you get here the skew symmetric matrix Q. The value of skew symmetric matrix we have got here 0. Now, reflect this one expression. A equal to P plus Q. A equal to P plus Q I have written here. The A equal to value of put I shall put value of A. Value of A will be P plus Q. The A equal to value of P I have reflected from this place. You can see P equal to this one. This one has been reflected here. Since the value of P is this one I have reflected this one. A value of Q I have got 0. From this place you have got 0. So A equal to P plus Q. So here you can say A equal to P. P here you have got the symmetric matrix and Q is here skew symmetric matrix. The value of skew symmetric matrix 0 you have got here. So here you have got P. A equal to P is this one. A equal to P plus Q. This term expression you have got A equal to the symmetric matrix P equal to I have reflected this one. Q equal to 0 I have reflected this one. You got here A equal to this one you have got. So this is the proper expression of the given matrix this one as the sum of the symmetric matrix this one and skew symmetric matrix you have got here 0. So this is the proper solution of question number 10. Roman 2, chapter 3rd matrix, exercise 3.3 I have taken and NCERT 12 mathematics.